The mental state of an accused killer is now the center of an investigation in the death of a 67-year-old woman. Patrick Campbell was denied bail today after investigators say he confessed to killing his own grandmother. WESH 2's Chris Hush was in court today. Chris, Campbell's attorney told you he will video record all of their conversations.
Right. It was after Campbell's attorney filed that motion that the judge allowed his attorney to bring in a video camera to the jail here, which is normally not allowed. It's all to record their conversations, as you just said. And I just spoke with the attorney who expressed clear concerns over Campbell's mental state.
Everybody always wants to know, how does a tragedy like this happen? Clearly, this young man is seriously mentally ill.
Public defender Matt Phillips could tell us little about what his client, accused murderer Patrick Campbell, said after court, but he says it was clear in court that Campbell is mentally ill when the judge asked him to confirm his name.
Sir, I'm actually a United States agent.
Let's take it one step at a time.
Yes, sir.
Are you Mr. Campbell? Is that your name?
It's not my true name, sir.
But it's a name that...
That's the name I go by, yes.
While the judge set a $15,000 bond for grand theft auto, the judge set no bond for Campbell's murder charge. He's the only suspect in the murder of his grandmother, Darlene Robertson. She was found beaten and stabbed to death in her New Smyrna Beach home this week. Campbell turned himself in along with his grandmother's car nearly 24 hours after being named a person of interest.
Based on only the information that's been provided to me in the records at this point, that both of these offenses have in fact occurred, and on the first-degree murder case...
Your Honor,
hang on, listen to me. Okay.
Although it appears Campbell may have had an objection to the charges, he also told the judge earlier that he was a United States agent who, quote, completed a sanctioned target. What that alleged target was is not clear, but afterward his attorney recorded their conversation about the case.
That gave me enough to get a starting point to realize that I need to start documenting this young man's mental status.
Now, Campbell's family was asked not to speak to him while they were in the courtroom. They also chose not to speak with us. Campbell will be held here at the Volusia County Branch Jail until his arraignment, which has yet to be scheduled so far. For now, we're live in Volusia County. Chris Hush, WESH 2 News.